morning. Some morning coffee while I'm waiting for the time. Maga kasi akong gising para ayun, preparing the breakfast of my kids. So that para pag gising nila, breakfast is ready for them. So ganun ako. So I'm going to work as usual. Working mom. Work sa umaga. And then pag-uwi ng bahay. Mga bata naman at yung bahay naman nasikasuhin natin. Talaga. I love being mom. Full-time mommy and a full-time worker. Coffee lang sa umaga. Kasi as you guys, it's like what I said before on my video. Mad ako. So, one meal a day. So, usually I eat during dinner lang. Cup of rice. Okay guys, see you on my next vlog. Love you all and God bless you all.